Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Enchanting Art Zone. Let's learn a simple forest painting by using the gouache paints. Cerulean blue, Viridian green, lemon yellow and white. Let's start to paint the background by using the filbert brush 6. Mix the colors cerulean blue, Viridian green, lemon yellow and white with a small amount of water. I mostly prefer filbert brush and flat brush to paint the larger areas. I continued the process till I get a fine background. In the center portion, I added little bit of white to get the lighter shade. Gradually, I added cerulean blue with viridian green at both the ends to get some darker shades. To get more darker shades, I apply cerulean blue as thick consistency. By using the round brush 7, mix the colors cerulean blue and viridian green for thin tall trees. Here I added some water to mix the colors to get lighter shades and it looks as the trees are at a distance. Now I apply cerulean blue as thick consistency for the nearby trees. For painting the trees I have chosen round brush 7. For the leaves I have taken round brush 8 and mixed the colors viridian green and white. I tried different shapes and sizes of leaves by using round brushes 7 and 8. I mixed the colors viridian green and white, and for the second layer I used blue, cerulean blue. By using the round brush 8, I painted the branches and vines of trees. Using the round brush 1, I painted the small leaves. Again the same steps are followed. First layer is lighter and the second layer is much more darker. After the second layer, I added the highlights. For highlights, I used a large amount of white with a little bit of viridian green and cerulean blue. Now the same techniques are followed here. I started the first layer as light and second layer as dark. And now here for small tweaks, I applied the mixture of cerulean blue with viridian green as thin consistency. Thank you for being till the end. I hope you enjoy watching the video.